Hi, my name's Joseph from Joseph's Opening and Locksmith Service in North Miami, Hollandale, and the Miramar areas. Today we're going to be doing an instructional video on how to rekey a lock. Simple stuff, kind of complicated sometimes. We're going to make it as simple as we can for you. Okay? Okay, one of our customers has decided they want keys with a larger head. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take this M-Tech deadbolt apart that I've been saving for a few days here, and we're going to change the smaller key for the larger key. And basically what we're doing is we're taking the cylinder apart from the back by pushing in the small clip. That holds the cylinder together in the rear. And basically this part is called a pawl, is the name of this piece here. We're going to remove the pawl now. And the small pin that comes out the back. And we have an excellent plug follower here, purchased from our friends at Locks Company in North Miami. Insert the key, turn the cylinder, and then remove it. And we save our waste pins here. This is basically the inside of the lock. And what we do is let me get my little glasses on here. We reference the 5 numbers in the back of the key towards the master keying chart here by Schlage so that we have the correct pins for the right numbers. Insert the key into here. And the first number being a 5, we reference the 5, go to 240 in the kit, retrieve the pin, insert it so. Then we go to 6, 255, retrieve that one, insert, go to 5, 240, insert the pin, it's properly done, 8, which is 285, one of the longer ones, insert that one, and then a 6, 255, and insert that one. The shear line here has to be flat so that the key turns properly. So we go back over to the body of the lock, reinsert the cylinder, turns fine. Reinsert the locking pin. And put the cap back onto the back. Push down the locking pin, tighten the cap to where you can't turn it. Not too tight, just snug, so that there's not a problem with the key turning. Now the job is done. Key turns. As you turn it back and the key is extracted, if it extracts smoothly while you're pulling on the lock, that means that it's done properly. Reassemble the lock. And we're all done. This is a simple rekey, and in the days to come, we're going to be doing some more and more complicated procedures, like replacing the cylinder on an old Chevy or some of the other things that we do in the locksmith business here. So please, if you have any questions, reference the number on our page and like our page, and you'll get some good technical advice. Thank you. God bless you and have a nice day.